What's the meaning of anguish? Anguish. 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 Anguish.
Anguish is a deep mental pain or suffering. It is a feeling of extreme distress, often caused by intense physical or emotional discomfort. The result of anguish can lead to a range of physical symptoms, such as headaches, stomach pains, and difficulty sleeping. Additionally, it can cause a sense of hopelessness and despair, making it challenging for those experiencing it to find relief or comfort. Overall, anguish is a debilitating emotion that can have a significant impact on an individual's well-being and quality of life.